Welcome back to Beginner's Breadboards, my electronics learning journey. Today we're looking at Arduino output tones with a passive buzzer, having a buzzer play different tones using the Arduino. So this is the setup we have. We're using pins 2 and 3. 2 is an input pin with an enable, so input enable, which is a pull up, and it's a weak pull up. So it regularly sits at 5 volts and it's connected to a toggle switch. When the toggle switch is activated, it grounds it and the signal becomes 0. We have pin 3 connected to our passive buzzer and then back to ground. So when 2 and the toggle switch is enabled and this becomes a 0, the program has 3 activate and start the passive buzzer. We're using a function called tone within the code to give a certain frequency to the buzzer and play it for a certain amount of time. These are the different tones we're playing that correspond to just the scale and their corresponding piano keys, as well as the frequency we're giving it. So we're starting with the middle C and it plays down until C5 or another Do, and then it plays back up to Do and then T, which is B3. Okay, so here we have the circuit that we built. We see this is the buzzer and it is connected to pin number 3. Pin number 2 here is connected to our input, which is this button, and then the rest of it is hooked up to a common ground, which is also back into the Arduino. What we see here is the code that we have written. We defined a common gap time and tune time. This is how long each beat plays for. Further, we have the pin mode enable, which is the input pull-up, which we were talking about. This keeps it at 5 volts until the button is pressed, up until which it goes low. When number 2 goes low, pin number 2 goes low, we have the buzzer play the following tunes, which just progressively go up the scale. It has a delay, and then it goes down the scale. So now we can listen to the buzzer play. As you can see, it went up and down.